Hi guys, today we're reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. There's Gerald. He has lots of napkins. Oh, there's Gerald. It's like, ha-choo! Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, says Piggy. I'm sorry, I can't see. Okay. What do you want to do today? I want to, yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? And there's some pumpkin race. And there's Piggy. She's like, zoom. She's like laying down. Are you okay? Says Piggy. I do not know. Choo. I cannot stop and
sneeze.
Can you like?
Because she wanted to say sneeze. He wanted to say sneeze, but he couldn't finish it because he was sneezing.
Okay.
I cannot stop sneeze. Ha ha ha. Achoo.
True, yes, that's true. You just can't stop sneezing. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Says Piggy. See, there's like, choo! Upside down. See, Piggy's upside down, people. What if
What if you tried?
What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do not make me sneeze, then I cannot be with you, says Gerald. He's like, freaked out. Then we cannot be friends. Crying water everywhere. Then we must be apart forever. Wait, no. It says, forever. But Gerald, no. No, do not speak. See, he's covering Piggy's mouth like that. But we're not a pig. We're human. It is too light. Choo! Oh yeah, I forgot. There is no choo. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald! Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Meow. Dr. Cat said, meow, but doesn't really say it on it. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy and Piggy is a pig. Sorry, guys, I had to turn it around, but yeah. And Piggy is a pig. Of course, that makes sense. Piggy. Pig, space, Piggy. It has a pig in it, so. What happened here? Okay, so pigs is
Also.
Piggy is also my best friend. Choo! Gerald, Great. Now, cats make me sneeze too. It's pretty not like ignore thing. No one makes him sneeze. He just catched a cold. Right, guys?
He just has a cold. Oh.
It says here. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Let me see if I skip a page. No. Okay, here. This is a page. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Okay. Wait, let me see if I skip the page again. Oh, yeah, here. Wait, yeah. Piggy, Gerald. No, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.
Oh, Piggy got sick too?
Yeah. Here are all the books of names. You guys can take a quick look. There is Today I Will Fly. My friend is sad. I'm invited to a party. There is a bird on your head. I love my new toy. I will surprise my friend. Are you ready to play outside? Are you ready to play outside? Watch me throw the ball. Elephants can't dance. Elephants can dance. Watch me throw. Wait, never mind. Pigs make me sneeze. That's the one that we just read. See? Where was I? Sneeze. I am going. Can I play too? We are in a book. I broke my trunk. Should I share my ice cream? That's so good. Ice cream. Happy Pigs Day. Listen. Listen, okay. Wait, where was I? Yeah, listen to my trumpet. Okay. Should I share? Wait, where was I? Oh. Yeah. Listen to my trumpet. Let's go for a drive. A big guy took my ball. I made a mistake. A pig guy, because it says, well, similar. It's just a B, not a P. Okay, yeah. I am a frog. My new friend is so fun. Waiting is not easy. I will take a nap. I really like slop. The thank you book. Oh yeah, there's Piggy getting sick. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Give this show a thumbs up. Bye bye.